In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Calendly events efficiently and swiftly. Let's get started with a very common scenario. Imagine you've set up several meetings or events through Calendly, but now for some reason you need to clear some of them from your schedule. Whether it's because plans have changed or you're cleaning up old events, Calendly makes it quite straightforward to delete those you no longer need. Here's how you can do it. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Calendly website. Once you're there, look for the login option. This is your gateway to accessing your scheduled events. Clicking on it will take you to the login page. If you've connected your account to Google, you can streamline the login process by selecting Continue with Google. This option is quite convenient if you're someone who prefers fewer passwords to remember or simply enjoys the seamless integration between Google services and other platforms. Upon clicking Continue with Google, you'll be prompted to select the account you want to use. It's crucial to choose the account associated with your Calendly schedule to avoid any confusion or access issues. Once you've selected the correct Google account, proceed by clicking Continue to grant Calendly the necessary permissions. If you're following along by now, you should have gained access to your Calendly dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. Here you can manage your events, customize your settings, and of course delete any events you no longer need. Navigate within Calendly to find the section that lists all your event types. This is crucial because Calendly allows you to set up different types of events. For instance, 15-minute consultations, 1-hour meetings, and so on. Once you've located the event you wish to delete, you'll notice a cogwheel icon next to it. This little icon is more powerful than it looks. It's your gateway to modifying or deleting your event. Clicking on this cogwheel will open up a menu with several options. Look for the delete option. It might feel a bit hidden away because, well, deleting an event is usually a last resort. However, once you click on delete, Calendly will likely ask you to confirm your decision. This is a good thing. It's always nice to have that moment to pause and ensure you're not deleting something by accident. Now, a quick tip before you go ahead and confirm the deletion. It's worth taking a moment to think about the implications of what you're about to do. Deleting an event means it's gone forever, and if you have upcoming meetings scheduled under this event type, those will be cancelled. So, do a quick mental check to ensure you're not about to disrupt something important. Once you're absolutely sure, go ahead and confirm the deletion. And just like that, your Calendly event is now deleted. It's removed from your profile and schedule, and you've successfully cleared up your calendar a bit more. So whether you're doing a bit of digital spring cleaning or you need to cancel a specific type of meeting or event, you now know exactly how to do it. Calendly's platform is designed to be user-friendly and intuitive, making tasks like these relatively painless. Remember, keeping your Calendly events updated and relevant not only helps you manage your time better, but also ensures that those looking to book time with you have a clear understanding of your availability and the types of meetings or events you're offering. And there you have it, a simple and straightforward guide to deleting events in Calendly. Whether you're new to Calendly or you've been using it for a while but have never had to delete an event before, I hope this guide has helped you feel more confident in managing your schedule effectively. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips and tricks on how to make the most out of your scheduling tools and software. Stay organized and see you in the next video.